Hey guys, what's up? Welcome. Today's video is going to be all about contouring. I've already done my foundation and concealer and I've done powder to set that, and I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows a little bit. And as you can see, I also actually look kind of decent for once in this video. I'm going out on the 10. Wow, that was really dorky. Why would anyone take me out anywhere? I'm gonna do, since I don't have a ton of time, I think I'm gonna just run through all of this and then I'm gonna put a voice over it explaining each step. You definitely wanna stay through to the end of this video because I am going in today. I'm gonna have a whole new face. I'm gonna try to take some before and after pictures as well. That way you can see the difference that contouring makes. And keep in mind that everybody does contouring a little bit different, so if you have a different technique, that's okay. But if you have some questions about contouring, the way that I do things may help you out. And I'm going to show you how to make your nose smaller, your forehead smaller, cheekbones more pronounced, lips look fuller, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Hey, we gonna contour on a budget today, y'all. I'm taking an angled brush and a cool toned brown shade from my NYX contour palette. And I'm starting at the top of my ear and brushing down my cheekbones in a circular motion to blend that shade in seamlessly into my cheekbones, giving the illusion that they are a little bit higher and more defined and slimming my face a little bit. I want to use a cool tone shade because a bronzy warm tone shade would just make my face look way too orange. So you really got to be careful about the tone of the contour shade you use. Taking that same shade on a big fluffy brush, I'm going to brush this along the temples of my face and the top of my forehead. And this is going to create the illusion that my forehead is actually smaller than it is. Even though my forehead is pretty small naturally, if you're insecure about the size of your forehead, this is an awesome trick. You can also do the same kind of trick on your jawline. You know when you open your phone and the front-facing camera is on and you didn't know and you have like 8 chins? Well, this isn't going to help with that. But anyway, if you have a double chin issue, you can create a shadow along your jawline with your contour shade that will hide that double chin. Now taking a smaller brush, I'm going to contour my nose with the same shade. Basically what I'm going to do here is create 2 lines on the bridge of my nose. So if perhaps you have an insecurity about your nose being too wide or you need to change the shape of it a little bit, you can create the lines like you want them to be with this contour shade. And then you can do the same thing with your lips too. If you enhance the shadow underneath your bottom lip, it's going to give it a little bit of a fuller look. Now what you're going to want to do is take a beauty sponge and a setting powder and highlight the areas outside of your contour. So I'm carving out underneath my cheekbones and then on the sides of my nose contour in order to highlight those areas and really intensify the contour. This works out best if your beauty sponge is dampened beforehand. And then we got to spend a little time waiting. You want to let that bake into the skin for a little while. So here, while I'm waiting on the powder to bake into my skin, I'm taking my bronzer and I'm just going to dust that lightly over the top of my contour to bronze up my skin. I'm a pasty girl even in the summer, so I'm trying to bring a little life to this face. Now that I'm nice and bronzed and a minute or so has gone by, I'm going to brush off that excess powder with a big fluffy brush. And you know what? Because I'm a giver, I'm going to show you how to do some highlighting as well because it can really affect the way your face looks with a contour. So one of my favorite new tricks that I've learned from Jaclyn Hill is highlighting with a dampened beauty blender or beauty sponge. Now I'm taking my highlight shade with that dampened beauty blender and running it over the top of my cheekbones and my forehead to give myself that natural glowing from within look. And with the nose contour, I'm taking a small detailed brush and I'm just creating a small highlight on the very tip and bridge of my nose in order to keep my nose looking thin and snatched. Then I'm just running a highlight over my Cupid's bow to give my upper lip a fuller look. And there you have it. That's how I contour and highlight my entire face. I'm gonna go ahead and stick some before and after pictures in here for you next, and then I'll probably throw in a little glimpse at my final look here. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram for more beauty at Amanda Winks. And thank you guys so much for being here, and I love you. I'll see you later. Bye.